Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. Let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, let's listen to our school theme song. A green and white, 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 a green and white. One's off for school, the greatest school. 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 In East Brunswick, in New Jersey, there is Warnsdorfer School. We show kindness to everyone to make our future bright. A green and white, 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 a green and white. Teachers, staff, and parents too help make our future bright. Fine upstanders who set examples help make our future bright. One's up for school, the greatest school. 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 Awesome. So let's take a look at today's plan. So for math, you are watching my video here before you are doing the drag racing. The drag racing worksheet is not attached to your parent email, so now you can just click on it right here and it'll take you to exactly where you need to be. And you are doing that today after watching my video. If you would like to send me your work, you are more than welcome to for feedback. If you do not want to send me your work or don't have a way to do so, don't worry about it, no big deal. In language arts, you're choosing a second book to read about your animal in EPIC. So all of your facts that you recorded on your Google Doc should have been from one book. And today you're choosing a second book to read about your animal. So you're thinking about your subtopic from yesterday. So if your subtopic from yesterday was diet, in the second book you're reading today, you're finding information about your animal's diet and you're putting it in that second column of your synthesis research organizer, which looks like this. So you're going to go to the same document as yesterday, and it says Tuesday, read your second books and add notes in column 2 that relate to your subtopic. So that's in this column. So your subtopics are the same. If you had diet here, you have diet here. If you have habitat here, you have habitat here. Okay, you're not creating a new subtopic. You're finding more information about that same subtopic. And as always, you have Winn-Dixie to listen to if you didn't do so already. It is the last chapter, so I would love to hear your thoughts on if you liked the book once you do finish it. And as always here, your May-Dos, your virtual field trip today is to Mesa Verde National Park. That's a fun one. You will have your rainbow scavenger hunt to do. That could be a fun activity to bring some color into your day. And remember to make a sign thanking our doctors and healthcare professionals, and your parents can tweet it to our Warnsdorfer Twitter. And finally, you're thinking about how you can share brightness during this weird time, okay? So you could do kindness rocks, or you're thinking of something clever that you can do to share your kindness that I know you guys all have in you to people all around your community, okay? So I hope you have a good day. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.